Hello students, today we will study chapter number 7, the circulatory system. There are many systems in the body like digestive system, respiratory system, excretory system, circulatory system and reproductive system. In this chapter, we will study about the fluids, circulatory fluids that help in the process of distribution and collection of various substances. First of all, let us see that what is the need of this circulatory system in body. Circulatory system, which has circulating fluids present in the body, it performs mainly two functions. Number one is of distribution. It is required for distribution of various substances like distribution of digested food. We know that food is digested inside stomach and intestine, and then this digested food is distributed to various parts of body through blood. Distribution of respiratory gases. So oxygen is distributed to various parts of body through the circulating fluid or the circulatory system. In the same way, hormones are produced by endocrine glands, but their target organs are far away from them, so they also need to be distributed to their organ. Second thing that is required is collection. These circulating fluids collect some substances also, like they collect waste products from the various body cells and take them to excretory system so that they can be excreted out from the body. These waste products may be urea, excess of salt or water. In the same way, carbon dioxide is collected from various cells of the body and taken to the lungs. From there it is given out of the body. Now in your body there are three types of circulatory fluids present. First is blood, second is tissue fluid, and third is lymph. Blood is present mainly in the blood vessels and heart. Tissue fluid is present in between the cells of the organs. Lymph is mainly present in the lymphatic vessels or lymphatic organs like spleen and tonsils. So we will study about all these three fluids one by one. Let us first discuss blood. You know that blood is a fluid connective tissue also, right? This blood is made up of two parts, blood cells and blood plasma. This is the solid portion, this is the liquid portion of plasma. So plasma is mainly 55 to 60% and blood cells are 40 to 45%. Blood cells are of three types: RBCs that are known as erythrocytes, WBCs that are called leukocytes, and platelets that are called thrombocytes. So these three types of blood cells are present in blood. Now we will discuss these three types of blood cells one by one. Let us first discuss the red blood cells. Red blood cells are biconcave disc-like structure. Biconcave, it means there is depression in the middle portion on both the sides, and from the sides they are thicker. These are very small in size. Their size is about 7 micron in diameter. They contain a pigment that is called hemoglobin in them. This hemoglobin pigment is made up of two important parts. First part, that is the iron containing part, is known as hemin, and the protein portion is known as globin. This hemoglobin has an ability to combine with oxygen gas. It combines with oxygen to form oxyhemoglobin. Oxyhemoglobin is an unstable compound. When this oxyhemoglobin reaches the different cells of the body, there it breaks down into hemoglobin and oxygen. Oxygen is taken up by the tissue cells and hemoglobin further becomes free to carry more oxygen. You know that this hemoglobin has a very strong affinity for carbon monoxide. With carbon monoxide, it forms a stable compound known as carboxyhemoglobin. So once a carboxyhemoglobin is formed, it doesn't breaks down into hemoglobin and carbon dioxide. It means that molecule of hemoglobin now cannot contain oxygen. It cannot carry oxygen. So there is a cutoff in the supply of oxygen due to formation of carboxyhemoglobin, and this is known as carbon monoxide poisoning. Sleeping near burning furnaces in small rooms without ventilation can result in carbon monoxide poisoning and may even cause